HIPAA compliance, malware. Understand, identify, and prevent. What is malware? Malware is malicious software used to infect computers without the permission of the user. Types of malware? There are a few types of malware: viruses, worms, trojans, spyware, and other types. What are some signs of malware? Well, slow running computers, pop-ups, crashing systems, running out of hardware space, new browsers that you didn't install, increased network activity, security that has been disabled, or associates receiving strange messages from you that you did not send. Malware is easier to avoid and harder to remove. How to avoid malware? Avoid clicking on links in emails when you don't know the source of the email. Keep virus protection software up to date and always run frequent virus scans. Update virus protection. Use new operating software and make sure you install the patches. Older software have known viruses and vulnerabilities, like Windows XP. Always use a strong password, something no one will figure out. You do not want to use a public open Wi-Fi. Keep your personal information safe. Many hackers will use social engineering to break into your computer. They can use information posted online, so be very careful about what you share online. Always delete unused software. Your computer has an infected call. 1-800 is a scam number. Do not call fake tech support companies. Use a firewall, antivirus, anti-malware, and always back up your data. This is HIPAA compliance malware. Understand, identify, and prevent. Have a great day.